All right, so here comes challenge 20. Currently on our homepage, it's quite cluttered because every single blog post, no matter how long it is, 1 paragraph or 5 paragraphs, it all gets listed here. But now that we've managed to create a separate page for each and every single one of our blog posts, we don't want to list it in full on our homepage anymore. The goal of this challenge is to use Google and use Stack Overflow and use all the resources you have on the internet to figure out how you can change the code so that our homepage now truncates the content of each blog post to only 100 characters. And then at the end, there's just these 3 ... dots. And now we only have a preview of each blog post. Pause the video, and I want you to practice this really, truly important programmer skill of figuring things out by yourself and try to complete this challenge. So here's my first hint for you. A journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. The programmer version of that is that the journey of solving any programming problem starts with a single search. So let's go ahead and try to succinctly explain to Google what it is that we want to know. Now, the goal that we want to achieve is to be able to truncate our string down to 100 characters using JavaScript. So if we exclude all of the specific parts of our problem, say the 100 characters, right? Because somebody else might have posted that they wanted to limit it to 10 characters. So to widen our search, let's try something like truncate string JavaScript. And the first answer we get on Stack Overflow, let's check it out. Let's see what their query is to see if it matches our own. So they want to truncate a dynamically loaded string using straight JavaScript, and all they care about is just the number of characters. That sounds exactly like what we want to do as well. And the answer, they explain, is to use the substring method. And they actually very kindly link to the documentation, as well as providing a code example. So let's say that you have a string A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and you want to truncate it down to, say, only 3 characters long. Then you would say the string, call a method dot substring on it, and then inside the parentheses, you specify a start position and an end position where you want to cut up that string. So now the outcome of my truncated string is now just ABC because it goes from 0 to length, which is 3. So from 0 to 3, then that includes 0, 1, 2, 3, only has ABC, right? So now using this, can you apply it to the challenge and solve it for yourself?